The Christian Men's Fellowship of the Diocese of Ijebu Southwest, Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion, will be convening for the first of its kind Men's Fellowship Conference with the theme, Men as Agents of God's Reign, from the book of Isaiah chapter 52 verses 1 to 7 at the Diocesan Conference Center, Udobulu, from Friday 23rd to Saturday 21st June 2023. The Right Reverend Dr. Olugbenga Olukemi Odunton, the Anglican Bishop of the Diocese of Oyo, is the guest speaker. The Reverend Canon Nelson Olamuyiwa is the coordinator, Diocesan Christian Men's Fellowship. The Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde Hefa Ogunbanwo, the Diocesan Bishop, is the convener and the chief host. God looks for men who will reveal His mighty and excellent power in the world of today. Register to be there. Don't be left out. Announcer, the Diocesan Media Ministry.